Yes, please. Also, hello everybody. This is me, and I'm just about to finish the experiment.
Ready?
Yep, for the volcano. Oh, look at that! But it's pink. That's okay.
That's weird that it's pink.
How is it pink? Did we do something wrong?
No, it was red.
Yeah, we did not do anything wrong, and it just changed color. Here we go. Pour the entire thing in. Oh, this is cool. Oh man. Not really how I expected.
No, because it sucks actually. Eh?
Oh yeah. I thought it was gonna pop out way faster. Not like way up in the air. No. Okay.
Okay, that's good.
That's okay. See you guys later. But before I do this, I'm so sorry that I did not do a video like in months. Also, Happy New Year.
Okay,
I
turn
know
it
it's
off, Jack.
Bye.